All right, welcome back to Island Life Live. Happy anniversary to us.
Yee-hee.
Thank you to the management for going all out with the balloons and the cake. It wasn't them, we did our own balloons. Okay, never mind. All right, let's do shakas and shoutouts to us then. All right, shakas and shoutouts to Hawai'i Energy, the island's energy conservation program. Its mission is to empower island families and businesses to make smarter energy choices to reduce energy consumption, save money, and pursue a 100% clean energy future.
Ah, that's what you get when you make trouble. Today, it announced the appliance trade-up program in Ka'u on Hawaii Island. If you're a resident there, you can trade in your old working refrigerator or freezer and receive a new energy-efficient Energy Star model for $250. Now that's crazy, because I can ship mine from Oahu to get this deal. Please, 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 please.
I'm not sure, sis, but the deadline to submit the program application is January 31st.
Ooh.
So you should hurry up and call Matson to grab one of those containers and then apply. And by the way, delivery of the new model and recycling of the old unit are available at no cost.
Wow.
And dates and times will be determined on the number of applications received.
Amazing. To apply, go to kitv.com/links and click on Hawai'i Energy.
Hey, shakas and shoutouts to the City and County of Honolulu's Department of Facility Maintenance and Mālama Maunalua. Together, they launched a pilot rainwater capture incentive program.
I saw this with my water bill.
Yeah.
I saw it, in the little
me.
newsletter.
Mm-hmm.
This is so cool because the program covers the cost of supplies and installation of a rain barrel or rain garden or native tree. But heads up, family, funds are limited, so you should apply while available.
The program aims to provide free rainwater capture solutions to all Oahu residents, owner or renter, single-family home or apartment, with a focus on applicants from underserved communities, including economically disadvantaged, multi-generation, and kupuna-led households.
Beautiful. To learn more, go to kitv.com/links and click on Rainwater Hawaii. P.S. The application period for this pilot project with limited funding is open from now to March 31st, 2025.
All right, shakas and shoutouts to our very own A'ali'i Dukelow. He is our Maui Bureau Chief, so he covers all the Maui County stories for Island News.
Brother, he's also on the list of the sexiest male news anchors. These are anchors across the United States and Hawaii. They were evaluated using the golden ratio to calculate their beauty score from photographs of their faces. And take a look at our A'ali'i. Such a handsome guy.
Yeah, he is. But Lay's laughing in the back because he's like we all ohana as well over here. So this is kind of weird.
That's like Baby Brada kind.
Yeah,
right?
This is so weird.
I think he's handsome.
By the way, they were also judged on their charismatic personality, engaging delivery, and good looks. So 2 out of 3, bad for Again, he's very handsome. Just kidding.
Anyway, landed at 191 on the list. This is a list out of 248, which honestly kind of blew my mind.
Why?
Because according to the list, this guy is the sexiest. What's your thoughts?
Do we have a picture with them, like we juxtapose the two of them, or we don't? I mean, not really my cup of tea. I mean, you know what I mean. You know what I mean, huh?
I don't know what you mean. I just think that our Ali looks better than him.
Okay.
That's my golden ratio.
I agree. All right. Thank you so much. And again, shakas and shoutouts to A'ali'i Dukelow. You the man, Bob. All right, Leo Ikoholokula is back with what you need to know for today. Leo, what you working on for us now, sis?